Hey G's, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode we got some cool, amazing product. Let me actually show you guys what it is first. So here we have a box from Porto. So let's open up and see what's inside. So when you guys first open the package itself, you guys want to be really careful because there's dry ice here. So you guys probably want to wear a glove or hold it at a part where there's no dry ice. So you can see that the dry ice is still in place, so be really careful of that. So they provide you the instruction guide, you guys can see right here with the parchment paper here. And then here's what we got. So pretty much we got a box of the cheese roll, we got a box of the potato balls, and we also have a box of the guava cheese ones. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So here is the potato balls, you guys can see. When we open it up, this is basically what it looks like. Next here we have the guava cheese pastry. Let's see what it looks like. It looks really cool. Never actually tried these before, so this will be my first time trying these. And last but not least, obviously we have the cheese rolls here, which is what we got last time. So this is what the cheese rolls look like. There's a total of 12 of everything that I ordered. So let's pick a few of these and see what happens when they're fully baked and everything. Alright, so here we have the potato balls, as you can see. We're going to make 6 of these and there's more room to put it. The guava cheese one was like really big and it wastes a lot of space. So it's really hard to put 6 of them, especially on a pan like this small. Alright, so here we have the final product. The potato balls. I wish you guys could smell what it smells like. It smells so awesome right here. But it doesn't look any different from when they started. But you guys can definitely taste it once it's done and whatnot. So I'm gonna take these out first. Alright, so here we have the final product. Looks amazing. You guys can still hear the sizzle if you guys listen really carefully. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the whole step of actually making the product itself and what came in the package itself, you guys can see that it's actually really cool and really awesome. I'm not sure if all of you guys saw the video that I did last time, but I did a quick review video and is it worth it video about the cheese roll from Portos. This time we have the cheese roll, the guava and cheese pastry, and we also have the potato balls. If you guys can see in the video of like the process of making it and like everything in the unboxing. Like honestly, it's actually really cool how they make this whole process for you guys, so you guys don't actually need to go to the actual store to buy it. You guys can buy it basically anywhere. I believe it's like US or worldwide. You guys can find out that online. But they pretty much make everything fresh on the day of and they ship it to you guys, I believe within 2 days, depending where you guys are living. But if you guys are living within the US, I believe it's like within 2 days or something like that. Because I got mine within like 2 days and it's actually still really cold and frozen and everything, which is pretty awesome because they provide you the dry ice inside the package, just like how you guys saw in the video. So like the cheese roll I tried multiple times before, potato balls I tried it like once or twice before actually purchasing it today. But I never tried the guava and cheese one and I was actually really surprised of how delicious it is. Like I heard a lot of people talk about how delicious and good the guava cheese one is, but I never actually got the chance to try it until like just today. And I have to say that those are actually really good. It expands so big to the point where it's like probably one of the biggest pastries that I've seen from Porto so far, that is from the bake at home option. So now that we did the unboxing, baking, and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not and which one is more worth it based on my preference. So for me, honestly, I have to say that all of them are worth it, but it just depends on you guys as a consumer of what you guys prefer more of. And just like how I mentioned earlier, the whole idea of how they can make it fresh for you guys and like have it sent out to you guys so you guys can bake it whenever you guys want to. Like you guys get a whole month to eat it before it goes bad. But if you guys want my honest opinion of which one I think is the best one, if I rank it from 1, 2, 3, I think for me, I still have to go with the cheese roll for number 1, and then the guava cheese for number 2, and then the potato balls for number 3. And here's the reason why. Yes, the guava cheese might be bigger, you're actually getting more out of it than the actual cheese roll itself, but the cheese roll is probably one of the best things that they created or made. Like, it's just so simple, it has cheese in it, nothing else. Super crunchy and easy to make. Like, it goes from this small little pastry into this huge pastry, just like how you guys saw in the video. And then for the potato balls, I feel like it was a little bit too heavy for me. That's why I didn't like that one as much as the other ones. But I saw how they had a seafood one, but I couldn't buy that because they sold out, so I might have to try that next time. So just like how I said earlier, all of them are worth it, but it just depends on you guys at the end of the day, of what you guys want and what you guys prefer more of. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's much it for the little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have